I have always seen this distinction. There are people who succeed keeps on succeeding. People who are failing keep on failing. Why does these things happen? Then I understood that it is their action that determines their results. There are 4 types of action takers who are actually there on this planet Earth. Let's see which one are you in various different areas of your life. This is very, very important because the moment you assess it, you can improvise, you can actually move to that the best one, which is the 4th one. So that is the reason why I want you to stay till the end so that you get that the 4th very important type of an action taker. Right? So hi, I'm Keerthan. I'm the author of the book Why Being Independent is Awesome and XMoney Secrets. I'm an author, educator and an entrepreneur. I'm here with this one intention, with that like how can I actually help people improve their life and take it to a completely different level. Let's make it happen, right? So let's get started. There are 4 types of action takers in life with anything that they do, whether it is career, relationship, health, finance or any of this particular thing. The first type of category people who are the type of action takers are called as resistors, right? So no matter what, when it comes to relationship, I'm not going to do that. They are resistor, right? When it comes to money, they hate money. They are resistor to the money. Or when it comes to career, I'm lazy. I don't want to do it. So are you a resisting type of an action taker in life? If you are a resistor, then your action steps will be none, right? So this is one type of an action taker. The second type of an action taker are called as pretenders. Right? The first one is resistor, the second one is pretender. They keep on pretending, they keep on retreating, they feel like they want to do it but they don't do it, or they act like doing it, right? So these type of people who will usually become spectators, right? They will never become players, right? So this is very important, and these are the type of people who are pretenders. Will, when they do not feel like achieving it, they become criticizers for others who are becoming players, right? So the first type of people are resistor who do non-action. The second type are pretenders who just act like doing something, right? Or just retreat in doing certain things, right? The third type of people are people who are not to lose type of people. These are the people who take average action takers, right? So they just take average action, right? So, and the 4th one are those people who are massive action takers or players or champions, right? So which one type of this particular action taker you want to become? This is very, very important, right? Because you might be coming to this channel already, you know me. I'm actually doing this particular work to make sure that people get massive value, right? And for that, you got to be a massive action taker. Don't just come into this channel, watch one video after other, and then say, I got to know it. You don't know it unless and until you take massive action on it. And I want you to take massive action, right? So one way through which you can actually do that is click on the link below, right? That is very, very important because I can actually directly support you to take massive action, right? Sometimes what will happen is that we need a push, right? In order to get that action in our life, in order to achieve that next level of success in career, next level of success in finance, next level of success in relationship or in health or any area of our life, right? My objective here is to help individuals to live a full-fledged life. And how can I actually do that? And this is the possibility through which in any one of these videos has actually inspired you, helped you, and got that particular value for you to solve that problem. Then this is very important that you take this massive action to take your life to the next level. I look forward to see you in the next video.